In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when your game voice chat and mic's not working in Rainbow Six Siege on the Xbox One or Xbox Series S or X. So the first thing you want to do is press start on your controller and we're going to go to options. Then what you want to do is scroll on over to audio at the top and you want to scroll down on this page. Now once you're here, you want to ensure your voice chat volume's turned up, and for your audio output device and audio input device, you want to ensure it's on the correct one. Now, if you're not exactly sure, you can switch between them and apply the settings and see if it works. But once you have these settings set, what you want to do is go back to the home menu. And if you are in a game, ensure that you haven't accidentally muted your teammates by pressing start and you'll see an icon. Then what you want to do is press the X button on your controller if it's still not working. And we're going to go to the audio and music tab. Now from here, you want to ensure your headset mic is toggled on here. And if you do have a mic mute toggle on your actual headset, ensure you haven't accidentally turned that on. Now, you also want to ensure your headset volume's turned up here. For the headset chat mixer, you want this somewhere in the middle. And for mic monitoring, you can turn this all the way down. Now, if it's still not working, what you want to do is go to home. And once you're on the Xbox home menu, we're going to go to settings. And from here, you want to scroll over and we're going to go to volume and audio output. Now, you want to ensure that the speaker audio at the top is on the correct one for you. In my case, I'm using a headset, so I'm selecting this. And for the headset audio, if you are using one, use stereo uncompressed or Windows Sonic for headphones for a majority of headsets. The next thing you want to do is go back to settings, and we're going to scroll down and select devices and connections. And you want to ensure that your controller's up to date, because if your controller isn't up to date with the latest firmware, this can affect performance not only of your controller, but your headset as well. Now, you want to go back in game and test out your mic, and if it's still not working, it's likely a hardware issue, in which case I'd swap out your headset or controller to see what's causing the problem. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.